Welcome student. Welcome student. Let us saw this exercise. We will go through this exercise so we can get an idea about the pronoun. Okay. So let us continue with the sentences. The first sentence is dash is dash sister dash is lawyer. Okay, so here we have a bracket. In the bracket, she, her, my and mine. She, her, my and mine. So we will put these words in this bracket, fill in the blank line, that is, she is my sister. We used she because of the noun that is sister. Then she is a lawyer. Once we use she as a pronoun, then we will use this pronoun, only this pronoun, into the next lecture. Second sentence is these books are written by Enid Blyton. I have read most of them. Here the options are I, these, they, these. If we use these books are written means here books are the plural form, are in the plural form. So we use the pronoun that is these. Okay, because if we use this, then there should be a singular noun, but here the noun is in a plural form. Okay, then by Enid Blyton, I have read most of them. Third sentence is you must learn to control yourself when someone makes you angry. You must learn to control yourself when someone makes you angry. So in this sentence, we uses pronoun that is you, yourself, and again you. These are the pronouns which are used in this sentence. The you pronoun is used as a singular pronoun and plural pronoun both. Okay, and yourself is a possessive case of pronoun. Fourth sentence is about we shall clean this room ourselves. There is no need for you to get it done for us. Here we uses different types of pronouns such as we, ourselves, you, it, us. In this, we is the primary pronoun, and second is the ourselves ourselves is the plural form of ourself, and you are the again it is in the second form, and it is in third form. It done for us is in the first form of pronoun. Fifth word is they. They have no one but themselves to blame for their failure. Here their themselves are used. Sixth sentence is this book, THIS, this book looks. Here if this S of looks come as a suffix to the book, then here we have to use the sentence, the pronoun, that is these. Okay, this book, now it is singular book. Okay, this book looks familiar. I am sure it is mine. Mine is the possessive case of singular pronoun, not yours. This is in this total sentence is in total singular form, singular pronoun. Seventh, this is the fruit, and 3 are its seeds. 3 are its it has a wrong word. Here this fill in the blanks is wrong because the word we use is a 3, but here we have to use the word these, THESE. Okay. Eighth, just tell him how to do experiment. He will do it himself. It is about the him, he, it, and himself. Himself is a possessive case of pronoun. Him is the singular pronoun. The spider sat next to Miss Muffet. It frightened her so much that she screamed and ran away. Here we used it, her, and she. She screamed and ran away. Okay. So here are some pronouns that are used in these sentences, in which we uses this pronoun into the first form, second form, and third form in singular and plural form. Okay, so let us stop here. Student, you should complete this exercise with this lecture. Okay, I will give you another sentence, another paragraph about these pronouns in a different uses.